Hello everyone. Hi, you are all doing good. Yes, today in this crash course of engineering mathematics, I am going to tell you what are the topics you have to study and what should be the sequence and from which topics you are getting most of the questions. Okay? So are you ready dears? Let's get started. So engineering mathematics, when I just tell engineering mathematics, the topics that you have to focus a lot are goes on like this. Okay, first you have to thoroughly prepare numerical methods. Okay, this is very easy chapter and you can score easily 1 2 marks from this area, because most of the times when you just see gate papers, most of the times questions have been asked on numerical methods. Then you have to study differential equations, because from this area also they are continuously asking questions, and it has been like they are giving 1 2 marks question and 1 1 marks question from this area. So you have to study differential equations thoroughly. What people will do is they will start from linear algebra, they will study calculus, but calculus is actually the lengthy topic. It's like it will take lot of time and you people will be losing your interest, because your only two topics will be getting completed by that way. But if you follow this sequence, it's like I have arranged the topics whichever are important and whichever are easy to cover and whichever are short also I have planned like that. So this is a thing. Then you have to go for third chapter preparation, that is linear algebra. Okay, you have to prepare linear algebra. Hope you are getting. Every year 1 2 marks bit is definitely for sure they are giving on linear algebra. Then you have to study complex analysis. Okay, most of the times you are getting bits on complex analysis also. In this lecture series of the crash course of engineering mathematics, I am going to explain to you whichever are the important concepts only. Since it is crash course, I am going to take up all the important concepts. So I can promise you dears, if you study my course completely, if you listen to all the videos, lectures, and if you practice the problems whichever I am giving, I can assure you that out of 13 you can score 8 marks easily with this lecture series. Okay, hope you are understanding. Then let's get started. Then complex analysis, then you have to go for preparation of vector calculus. Okay, you may or may not get bit from vector calculus, but it's better if you keep it at fifth position. Then you can prepare Laplace transforms, because it is small and simple. You may or may not get bit from Laplace transform. Actually it is the part of differential equations only, but I have separated this as one more topic for better understanding. Then you have to prepare, either you can go for probability and statistics and calculus, your wish, but I am writing here as probability and statistics. As per the time concern and as per the time slots I am getting, I can plan for either probability and statistics first, or then calculus, or first calculus then P and S. Okay, hope you are getting. Then you have one more topic. This is not for civil and mechanical. ECE people, ECE and other branch people should focus on Z transforms also. Okay, hope you are getting all these things. From my next lectures, I am going to tell you regarding, I am going to start with numerical methods. Then I am going to tell you in that also which topics have been asked continuously. I am going to tell those things in my upcoming lectures. So hope you are getting this. So my dear students, here numerical methods, this is asked every year. 1 2 marks bit is being asked, and from differential equations also for minimum you will get 1 2 marks bit, and linear algebra also you will get 1 2 marks bit. If they give it for 15 marks, then you will get 1 2 mark bit from this area and from this area. Okay, if not they will be leaving one area, but 3 2 marks questions as of now I have, whichever I have seen, they are definitely coming from these three chapters. So if you are thorough with these three chapters, definitely will get 6 plus marks, and if you study this entire thing, you are going to get 8 plus marks. I can assure up to 10 also. Okay, hope you are getting this thing. Okay, so be with me till the completion of this series. Thank you for giving your time. Thank you. Have a nice day.